2, 1, action! I'm Balm, and this, of course, is Elliot Norris, my mustache.
I'm the only one in this line that can make it rain ribbon.
The cars, the money, the fame. What's not to like? These ribbons. USA National Handlebar Champion from 2020. How long does it take to grow a handlebar mustache? There are many different types of handlebar mustaches out there. Pencil mustache, petite handlebar, chevron mustache, the Dali mustache, you have the English mustache. The average growth rate is about a ½ inch a month. So if you want a pretty full looking handlebar mustache, I would say you need about 2½ inches. So the average is maybe about 5 months. You don't want to trim anything around your mustache because you don't know what hairs you may pull in. Don't trim over the middle if you can help it. I know it tickles and it gets annoying, but if you think of the long game, it really makes your mustache look fuller.